solve the given quadratic equation using the quadratic formula, we begin by determining the values of a, b, and c. When the equation is in the form shown above, a is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant, which indicates a equals 1, b equals 2, and c equals 4. And now we substitute the values for a, b, and c into the quadratic formula, which gives us x equals -2 plus or minus the square root of the quantity the square of 2 minus 4 times 1 times 4, all divided by the product of 2 and 1. And now we simplify. We need to be careful when simplifying the discriminant, which is the expression under the square root. Simplifying, we have x equals -2 plus or minus the square root of the difference of 4 and 16, all divided by 2. The square root simplifies to the square root of -12. Because we have a negative under the square root, we know we have complex solutions. To simplify the square root of -12, we look for the perfect square factors of -12. We also have a factor of -1. Let's write -12 as -1 times 4 times 3, where the square root of -1 simplifies to I, the imaginary unit, and the square root of 4 equals 2, which gives us x equals -2 plus or minus 2 square root 3i, all divided by 2. And now to simplify, we'll write this as two separate fractions. We have x equals -2 divided by 2 plus or minus 2 square root 3i divided by 2. In both cases, 2 divided by 2 simplifies to 1, giving us x equals -1 plus or minus square root 3i, which remember represents two solutions, one with the sum and one with the difference. I hope you found this helpful.